Hello everyone, this is Manju and you are watching my channel Grammar with Manju ma'am. I'm sure you must have watched my previous videos of direct and indirect speech. I have already shared 3 videos of direct and indirect speech, part 1, part 2 and part 3. Today I'm here with part 4. In this video I'm going to teach you how do we change from direct to indirect speech when the sentences are imperative or exclamatory. Before I proceed to teach you how do we change imperative sentences into indirect speech, you must understand what is imperative sentence. Already I have made one video on types of sentences. The link will be shared in the description box. You can check it and you can understand it better what an imperative sentence is. But in short, imperative sentences give you some command, some request, a kind of suggestion, advice, etc. And how do we change them from direct to indirect? Rest of the rules already you know in terms of tenses and personal pronouns. Okay, so here let us understand how do we change imperative sentences. When reporting a command, a request, an advice or suggestion, the indirect speech is introduced by some verb expressing the same feeling. Okay, plus the verb in the reported speech is put in the infinitive. I hope you know what is an infinitive. If not, I have already made the video of finite verb and non-finite verb. Link will be shared in the description box. You can better understand infinitive from there. Alright, now let us understand with a couple of examples how do we really change imperative sentences from direct to indirect speech. Here the first example is Rohan said to Seema, shut the door. Rohan said to Seema, shut the door. Now you see, here shut the door, when you see, do you feel that it's a request? It's a command. It's an order. Okay? So we can write it, Rohan ordered Seema. Now in place of, earlier what we were doing, said to, we were changing into told Seema. Yes? Now we will write Rohan ordered Seema. Infinitive means to plus was first form. Okay? So what we will do, we will not write here that. Rather we will write to shut the door. And the rest of the part we will write as it is. So it became Rohan ordered Seema to shut the door. To shut. To with verb. It is known as infinitive. Okay? Now second example. He said to him, please shut the door. Now here you see, please shut the door. Please, whenever we use, it shows that we are making some request. Yes? So here it's a request made to shut the door. How we will write it? How we will change into indirect? He requested him. Now in place of said to, what will write? He requested him. What he requested him? To shut the door. So please we will not write. Why? Because for please only we have written here requested. And now it becomes he requested him to shut the door. Now let's see a few more examples. If the direct speech is call the thief, said the king. Call the thief, said the king. Okay. So how we will do it? The king ordered or commanded them. Ordered or commanded, both will be accepted. Okay. So the king ordered or commanded them. What? To call the thief. To call the thief. So here it will be ordered or commanded. Okay. Now them, you must be thinking there is no them in the direct speech. But where from them has come? Okay. Call the thief, said the king. King must have told somebody, isn't it? So king must have told his people. And that's why here them object is used. Alright. Next is he said to his friend, don't smoke. Now you see, reported speech is in negative form. Okay. How do we change them into indirect? He said to his friend, there is an advice. Don't smoke. It's an advice. So it will be written, he advised his friend. What did he advise? He advised not to smoke. Not to smoke. So here we will not only write to smoke, rather it is negative sentence. So we will write not to smoke. this kind of sentence, negative sentence, can also be changed like he forbade his friend. Forbade is the second form of forbid. It means मना करना. Okay? So he forbade his friend. उसने अपने friend को मना किया. What? To smoke. Remember, when you write forbade, then in that case, not will not be used. Okay? Remember this. The next sentence is, the teacher said to his students, do not make a noise. Again, here you see, do not make a noise. It's a negative sentence. So, you must change it and write the answer in the comment section. Let's understand, how do we change exclamatory sentences from direct to indirect speech? There are certain points which should be kept in our mind. Let's see those points. The reporting verb is changed to wished, prayed, exclaimed, etc. Words like hurrah, oh, alas are omitted, but the feeling expressed must be conveyed properly by expressions like exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, surprise, anger, etc. And the sign of exclamation is omitted. Now, after understanding the rules, let's have a couple of examples to understand how do we change exclamatory sentences from direct to indirect speech. Here the first example is, she said, wow, what a beautiful flower. Okay, so here she exclaimed. You can write with joy, with surprise, if it is clear. Okay, if it is not clear that what expression is being expressed here, you can simply write she exclaimed also. It's correct. Okay, so she exclaimed that the flower was very beautiful. So here you see that will be used and then the sentence will be changed into assertive. Okay, the flower was very beautiful and we will omit here what? The exclamation mark. Next example, the commander said, alas, we are defeated. So here, is the commander happy or sad? Here, commander is saying that they are defeated. So it's a feeling of sorrow. Yes. So the commander exclaimed with sorrow. What? That they were defeated. Now, the last sentence is, the coach said, how intelligent I am. And this sentence is for you to change into indirect and write the answer in the comment section. Hope to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.